In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Brave browser. If you prefer a more comfortable browsing experience, especially in low-light environments, enabling dark mode in Brave can significantly reduce eye strain and give your browser a sleek, modern appearance. Dark mode changes the overall interface color scheme to darker tones, making it easier to focus on content while also improving visual comfort during extended browsing sessions. To begin, open your Brave browser on your computer. Once it launches, direct your attention to the top right corner of the window and click on the menu icon, represented by three horizontal lines. This menu contains all the main settings and customization options for the browser. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This will open Brave's configuration page, where you can adjust various aspects of how the browser looks and behaves. After entering the Settings panel, look at the left-hand side where a list of categories is displayed. From this list, click on Appearance. This section controls how Brave looks visually, including themes, layout preferences, and interface styling. It is where you can personalize the browser to match your preferred viewing experience. Once you are inside the appearance settings, locate the section labeled Theme. Click on it to open the available display options. Here, you will see different theme choices that control the overall color scheme of the browser interface. From the available options, select Dark. As soon as you choose the dark theme, Brave will automatically apply the changes and the entire browser interface will shift to a darker color palette. This includes menus, tabs, and various interface elements, giving the browser a more visually comfortable and consistent dark appearance. This change happens instantly, so there is no need to restart the browser or perform any additional steps. You can immediately continue browsing with the new theme applied. If you ever want to switch back, you can return to the same theme section and select a different option at any time. Dark mode is especially useful for nighttime browsing or when working in dim environments, as it helps reduce brightness and can make long browsing sessions easier on the eyes while maintaining a clean and professional look. And that is how you can enable dark mode in Brave browser in just a few simple adjustments. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.